Hello, grade 4. Let's answer unit 5. Okay, complete each of the following. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Number 3 here is repeated how many times? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Will be 3 times 4 equals 12. So multiplication means repeated addition. Okay, 3 times 4 equal 12. Rewrite each equation using multiplication. 6 is repeated times how many times? Count. How many times? Count. 1, 2, 3. 6 is repeated 3 times. Okay, equals 18. Compare 15 and 3. 15 is which number times the number 3? Which number times 3 equal 15? Okay, so I'm gonna check table 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So it's 5 because 3 times 5 equals 15. Fill in the blank. Here number 5 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 times the number 5 to be what? 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, 20 is 4 times the number 5. Here I'm gonna change it from statement to multiplication equation. To change the statement to be multiplication equation, you change the word is with equal. And times means to put the sign times. Okay, let's change it. Will be 24 equal 6. Okay, times the number 4 with number 4. Okay, this is my multiplication equation. Again, put here what? Equal. Great job. And here times. Now let's write it. 35 equal 7 times number 5. This is called multiplication equation. Here, okay, the converse. I'm gonna change it from equation to be statement. Comparison statement. I'm gonna put above the word the sign equal, put the word is, and above the sign put the word times to be what? 60 is 6 times the number what? The number 10. Okay. Next lesson, creating multiplicative comparison equation. How to create an equation? Look, Junior 4, like I said before, I changed the word times with this sign. I put the sign of times, okay? And the word is, I have to change it to be the sign of equal, okay? And let's move step by step. 4 times the number 3, I'm gonna put number 3, is, means to put equal. Equal what? I don't know, okay? So here I have to choose to put dots, but here he told me use a letter to represent the unknown number. Here we have unknown numbers that I don't know, okay? But I will not put dots here. I'm gonna put letter, any letter, okay? I'm gonna choose letter Y. So Y here means number unknown, okay? We don't know it. And you don't have to solve it. Don't find this number. Only leave it like this, okay? Again, another one. 18 is, put here equal, and here times. Let's write it. 18 equal 6 times as many as, okay, I don't know this number, put any letter Y. Again, another one, 6 times, I'm gonna put here times the number dots, I don't know it. This number, I don't know it, is equal 48. How to write this equation? Will be 6 times the number y, that I don't know it, is equal 48. Okay, next question. Solve each one. Solve junior 4 means to find the unknown number. Here, which one is unknown? Letter Y. This is unknown number. Here we have dots. I don't know it. Okay, let's answer it. I have the question here on the right side. 5 times 10. 5 times 10 equal 50. So this Y should be 50. Okay, Y equal 50. Here, I don't know this factor. I don't know it. How to find it? I'm gonna check table 3. 3 times which number equal 15? 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so it's 3 times 5. So this M, it's 5. M equal 5. Okay? And if you don't know a factor, this is called a factor. Okay, beside the times. So you can make it like divided. 15 divided 3 will be what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 will be 5. The same idea. Write an equation for the comparisons. Use a letter to represent the unknown number, and you don't have to solve it. Write the equation only. Okay? Hannah collected 5 marbles in March. By May, she had 4 times as many as marbles. How many marbles does Hannah have in May? How many marbles in May? He told me that the number of marbles in May is 4 times as many marbles in March. 4 times this number. Okay? Will be what? 4 times 5 will be what? I don't know it. So put letter what? Any letter. Y. Okay? And you don't have to solve it, but let's solve it, okay? 5 times 4 or 4 times 5 will be what? Will be 20. So y equals 20. Write an equation for each of the following comparisons and then solve it. Here we have to find the answer of the unknown number. What number is 5 times the number 6? I'm gonna translate this. What number? So here I have a number unknown. Is means equal. 5, okay, times the number 6. So which number that I don't know it, put letter Y, equal 5 times number 6. Okay, so Y will be what? Answer this question. 5 times 6 equal 30. So this Y will be 30. Y equal 30. 36 is 4 times a number. So 36 equal 4 times any number. Put letter A, for example, A. What is this number? Here the unknown number is a factor. So I'm gonna change it to be divided. Okay? 36 divided 4. Check table 4 to find 36. Okay? 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So it's gonna be 9. So A equals 9. Next lesson, properties. Commutative property means to switch. Switch places, junior 4. Apply the commutative property of multiplication to complete each equation. Here I'm gonna use a commutative property. I told you commutative means what? To switch places, okay? 5 times 7, when I use the commutative property, will be 7 times 5. Change places. Okay, here 34 times what? Equal 21 times 34. Which one is repeated here? 34. And which number is missing here? 21. So will be 21. Okay, apply the commutative property to find the unknown value. Here we have unknown number. Let's try to find it. 33 times 4 equal 4 times A. So A here is unknown. Let's see which number is repeated. 4 is repeated. So which number is missing? 33. So A equal 33. Here B times 9 equal 9 times 8. Cross the repeated number. So B equals 8. Here, solve each of the following. I told you that any number times 1 equals same number. And any number times 0 equal 0. 5 times 1 will be the same number 5. 8 times 0 will be 0. Any number times 0 equals 0. What's the value of each of the following? 100 times 5. Okay, Junior 4. Here I'm gonna send out the 2 zeros out. Okay, cross. And now we have 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay, here which number times 7 equals 700? So here 7 times 1 equals 7. And we have to put here 2 zeros to be 700. Okay, exploring more pattern. Okay, write the missing number. I'm gonna see which number is repeated and write the missing number. Here 8 is repeated, number 2 is repeated. So which number is missing here? Number 4. Solve each problem, multiply the part in the parentheses first. Okay, you have to solve this first and then multiply with this. 2 times 3 junior 4 equal 6. 6 times 4, here 6 times this 4 will be 24. Here I have 5 only, leave it as it is at its place. And then we have here 2 times 3 equals 6. So will be 5 times 6 equal 30. Apply the properties of multiplication to solve this. Use the commutative and the associative property. Okay. So here I want to change what? The second number and the third number. Okay, let's change that. 3 times 5 will be here and then 2 will be here. Now what did we do here? Commutative property. Commutative property. And then in the next step, I'm gonna use brackets. Let's take 2 and 5. 5 times 2. Write it as it is. Okay, as it is. And then put the brackets. Here, what did we do? Associative property. Brackets. And then the last step, we have to find the answer. Okay, will be 3 times, and then answer the bracket. 5 times 2 equals 10. 3 times 10 equals 30. Place parentheses to show one way to find the product, and then show one other way to use parentheses to find the product. Here I'm gonna use parentheses, but in 2 different ways. The first way, I'm gonna take number 5 and 4 together in 2 brackets and leave number 2 out to be what? 5 times 4 equal 20. 20 will be times 2 to be 40. And then take number 5 and number 2 together and leave number 4 out. Will be 5 times 2 equal 10. 10 times 4 equals 40. You're gonna see here that we have the same answer, okay? Write how many to make up each number as the example. 30 equal how many tens? Here, word tens means that we have here 1 0, okay? So, cross 1 0 here with 1 0 in the other side. So, what's remaining here? 3 will be 3. Here the same. Tens means that we have here 1 0. Cross this 0 with this 0. What's remaining? 16. Write the missing factor. This magic triangle means that here we have two factors. Factor times factor equal this product. And here we can divide. And here we can divide. 40 divided 10 equals what? And 40 divided which number equal 10? Okay, how to find this factor, Junior 4? Make like this. 40 divided 10. Check table 10 to reach 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. You're gonna find 4 fingers. And here, what to put between 20 and 10? We put here divided. 20 divided 10. Check table 10 to reach 20 will be 2. Multiply by multiples 10, 100, and 1000. Use decomposing and associative property of multiplication to solve. Here, how to decompose to solve this Junior 4. You can see another word which is distributive, okay? I'm gonna here break apart this number. Multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm gonna break it apart, okay? To be what? 7 times 2 times 10. Okay? Separate them. Will be here 2 and this 10. 2 times 10. Okay? Will be what? Here I'm gonna put brackets to take 7 and 2 together and leave 10. Leave it out. Okay? Now 7 times 2 equals what? 14 and 10 is out. So here 14 times 10 will be 140. I put 0 out and 14 times 1 equal 14. Another one. Here I'm gonna break apart this multiple of 10. Break it apart will be 5 times 5 times 10. Okay? Put brackets here. 5 times 5 equals 25. And we have 10 out. So 25 times 10 will be 250. Fairuz bought 3 packs of bottles. Each pack had 3 rows of water bottles. How many water bottles did Fairuz buy? Here I have 3 packs. Each pack had 3 rows of 4 bottles. So this number will be repeated in all of the packs. Okay? So here repeated addition will be times multiplying 3 times 3 times 4. Okay? Let's take the small numbers together in 2 brackets. Will be 9 times 4 equal 36 bottles. Okay. Thanks for watching this Junior 4.